Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CoinLedger, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the CoinLedger website by entering the URL in your browser. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will see fields for your email address and a password. Enter your email address into the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the corresponding field. After filling out these details, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, click the Create Account button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the message from CoinLedger. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the CoinLedger website. Re-enter your email and password in the login fields on the home page. Click the Login button to access your new account. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Follow the instructions to add any necessary personal information. Next, connect any cryptocurrency exchanges you use for detailed tracking. To do this, select the exchange from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your exchange account securely. After connecting your accounts, explore the features CoinLedger offers. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. You are now ready to start managing your cryptocurrency transactions with CoinLedger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.